ating ever-reliable player coming from the DA Food Masters. We have EJ De Guzman. Congratulations sa inyong koponan. Of course, let's talk about first yung naging si Coach Jocas Castillo kasi sinabi niya in the dugout during the second half, going into the second half, na kailangan ma-dominate nyo na itong larong ito, ibaon nyo na dito ang PhilHealth. How hard or how easy was it as an instruction coming from Coach Jocas?
Napakahirap yung sinabi ni Coach kasi malakas 2-0 yung PhilHealth, tinalo nila yung mga powerhouse na team. So kami, kailangan namin mag-focus sa defense talaga. Kagaya nung last game namin kaila Ombudsman. Maganda yung first half, pero yung second half namin, nag-collapse kami. This time, sinisecure lang ni Coach Jocas na kailangan we start strong and we finish strong.
Yes, going into this season, alam ko naman karamihan sa inyo na pressure talaga dahil kayo ang ating defending champion. Mas tumaas din ba ang naging expectation sa inyo ng iba mong teammates and even the coaches for season 11?
Oo, kasi ang hirap maging defending champion, ang daming pressure. Pero para mawala yung pressure, enjoy na lang yung practice and mag-go hard sa defense and sa team.
How do you handle that kind of pressure? Kasi sinabi mo nga, mas tumaas din ang expectation nila sa'yo.
Ano lang, practice lang talaga. Doon kasi kami kumukuha ng kumpiyansa and ng confidence. Pag maganda yung ensayo, madadala mo sa laro and then everything will follow.
Moving forward, your next game will be up against the Senate and that will happen next week pa yan. Anong makikita naming DA Food Masters against the Senate?
Para kasi kaming diesel kagaya ng season 10 eh. So hopefully, this season ganun din. Mag-ensayo kami, prepare, and then we will give all sa Senate.
Sino mga naging inspiration mo and motivation mo for this ball game? Go ahead with your greetings.
Binabati ko po yung wife ko, si Zed, yung kids ko, si Yela and Yael. Tapos yung mga boss Ken, Boss Mike, mga kaibigan ko dito sa iba't ibang teams. Parents ko nasa US, mami, daddy, hello, yun lang.
Maraming salamat and congratulations on this ball game. Ang ating best player of that game, si EJ De Guzman with 26 points on that game.